1, 2, 3, come on.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Joseph AZMARINO TUPE. Okay, today I will show you how to know whether your phone is original or fake. Hear me? How to know a phone is fake or original. I will show you now. Watch me, okay? From start to end, watch me. Okay, first we gotta go to the settings app. You can tap settings app. Then you go down here to the system. Then we gotta go to about phone. Then about phone, what you saw here, Android version. Show it. You can tap the Android version name 3 times and then hold it. Tap 3 times the Android version and hold it. Okay, we can show. I can tap it. 1, 2, 3. Show it. It becomes a sandwich icon. Then we can tap again the sandwich icon 3 times and hold it, whether we know the phone is original or not. Okay, what becomes, we show together. Show it. It becomes a jellyfish like that. Show it. This is a jellyfish. So this phone is an original phone, but if not original, how we know? I will show it. You can tap the Android version 3 times. If it come like that sandwich icon, then we can tap the sandwich icon 3 times. Now I can tap it, so nothing coming. The phone is fake. If from the phone did not goes more than the sandwich icon, the phone is not original. Okay, this is not original phone. You cannot like that. The phone is fake phone or second stage phone. So today I think to help you like that, when you pay if Android phone or smartphone, you can know whether your phone is original or not, like that, as I show you. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment me, tap a comment, like my video.